Make a great choice today with the 2013 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, advanced technology package, four-wheel disc brakes, pre-collision system, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.